All right, so here is our frog skeleton. Okay, and so our our frog skeletons are all contained within glass, so we are going to have this bit of a glare, but I'm going to do my best to kind of point out the structures. So we're not really going to learn any of the elements of the head. So we're going to start here, and this bone right here is what's called the suprascapula. And then this little part right here, which curves around to the other side, to the ventral side, is going to be the scapula. And then we come along here, we can see all the vertebra, we can see the ribs. And as we get down into the pelvic girdle, we have these ilia right here. So singular would be ilium. And then we have this thing called the urostyle. Then we come down here, and this is going to be the ischium. If we look at the limbs, the hind limbs, we have our femur, our tibiofibula. And then we're just going to learn these set right here as the tarsals. You're not going to learn the individual tarsals. These 5 bones right along here are going to be the metatarsals. And then the remainder are all the phalanges of the digits in the hind limb. Okay, so that's from the dorsal perspective. If we flip this over, let me move this. And we now see from the ventral perspective, we'll go up here into the pectoral girdle, and there is where that scapula curves around to the ventral side. And then we have the humerus. Then we have the radioulna. Then here are the carpals, metacarpals, and then here we have the phalanges of the digits in the forelimb. Okay, if we also look along here, we can see there's the clavicle, there is the coracoid, here is the sternum, and then from this perspective, we can just see the pubis bones right there. And so those are all of the bones for our frog skeleton.